What can I help you with?
Yes, I just chased the subject around your house.
It's just me and my husband. We both work during the day.
Good check. See if your camera picked up any motion.
Check it. He's in my trash can. He's in my...
This is not a lie drill, nigga. This is not a fire drill, nigga. This the real thing.
Yo. We back with another one. It's Nova Can ENT and
This right here? One.
introduce yourself, fool.
Olo J, man. Jack Queso, Mr. Bust Out, Mr. 448, man. We live with the fit.
What would be the most thing that could scare you right now in the doorbell camera? That would make you like, yeah, I'm not going out there.
Like, okay, if you got 10 juveniles between the
With the blick. Between the age of 10 and 14, you know you finna die.
Hey, if they between 11 and 17 with switches and cables, I do not want no smoke. I ain't opening the door. I ain't saying nothing through the camera. I ain't nothing. Y'all got that. Kids dangerous, bro.
Story time. TJ story time. Everybody get ready. Story time.
Man.
Gotta speak up. Get the mic.
So, boom. My girlfriend stayed out of state at the time, and she pop up. Her homegirl lived right across the street from me. Feel me? Her homegirl get on some super investigator. Whoop. They come to the house. I don't know. I look through the peephole. I'm like, oh my god.
Who was it, Phil?
Both of them.
Both of
My
them.
homegirl and my girlfriend.
No.
She like, oh, why you not answering the door? I just seen him go up there not even an hour ago. Da, da, da.
You can hear them saying it?
I got my ear on the door. I don't know this. I gotta need all the intel.
Oh, shit.
I'm like, what? Oh my goodness. She said, what? Then she calling me as I'm at the door like, I'm like, oh man. Can't open this one.
We're gonna get with this motherfucking video. Let's get to it, man. Let's get to it.
Can you please, they're for my wedding. Can you please put the packages back? Be a good person.
The jacket. If you got, what was the jacket for? To not get fingerprints on the packages that you stealing?
Fuck all that. Can you put them back? They're for my wedding. Be a good person.
You should have started crying.
So what you? No, I'm trying to figure out like
Who do you think stole it?
Fuck that. I'm a thief.
Right.
When you ask me, now that I know that you're not willing to hurt me, or call them, please.
Oh, this
You know what? You're right. Your wedding? Why you didn't tell me that?
You should have just put that on.
I'll get the next package. No biggie.
Yeah, I'll just take it.
I'm gonna spare you this time, but next time when it ain't your wedding, I got to have you now. All right. Peace. Keep your head up, baby. Hey, have a good wedding now. You heard me?
What my Ring camera caught.
They turn around like, hold on, one more thing.
She look like a young Karen.
No.
What? What up?
Oh. I'm going to the wrong house, dude.
What?
Steven here.
You got the wrong house.
I knew this was a ripoff.
Oh,
okay.
yeah.
What, are you looking for a Steven?
No, I am Steven. I'm looking for Fifi.
Yeah, you got the wrong house.
I thought that's what we was looking for.
So you don't want to have sex tonight?
Bro, why? That's exactly what I wanted to start the
Sir, my
video.
husband's in the living room with the gun.
Oh my God. You heard me?
No. You talking about her?
Okay.
In the living room with the gun.
Alright.
One more time.
Sir, my husband's in the living room with the gun.
Okay.
Okay.
Have a good
Understood.
Guess that's a never mind. Guess I'll take it on in. Fam, when he said, I knew this was a rip off, I knew he got. You think you got him punch me, Dale?
Damn. He definitely met somebody in the game lobby and thought he was finna pound.
Sexy red, pound town, left.
Don't shoot me! My son is in here!
A blast at home, and not in a good way.
Everybody got onto the ground. My son just stayed there, like, right here on the couch.
How old is your son?
7. Grabbed him, and I ran straight to the bathroom.
26-year-old Ansley
That shit fucked. We find out she up in the blick.
Pacheco took 7 News on an exclusive tour of the hell that ensued for her family in their Northwest Miami-Dade house 2 weeks ago.
He started shooting at me. They shot at me about 7 times, 6, 7 times.
A home invasion on the 4th of this month. Do you consider yourself lucky to be alive right now?
Yeah, I do.
Fam, I guarantee, if she lived there with a dude, he trapped her.
For sure.
And he tied in for real.
For sure.
She too calm.
Right.
Too calm. Like, yeah, for sure. We could have died. Yeah, but you know what I'm saying? Like,
It's
I
okay.
knew what I signed up for, and I know, like,
it's fine.
you know, if a motherfucker play with me,
Yeah.
I'm gonna blow his dumb ass down.
Here's how it began. As a guest pulls into the driveway of the Northwest 86th Avenue address, 2 men are seen rushing the SUV. That driver, the family's guest, is forced inside by 2 robbers as a group in the home watches the Heat in the NBA Finals. 2 men with guns order everyone to the ground. This as Pacheco, who is in the bedroom, grabs her pistol.
I said, don't shoot me, my son is in here.
Don't shoot me! My son is in here!
You can imagine a mother's fear as she's inside of her room, which is...
She said, don't shoot, my son is in here. And the people like, ow, give her, mother.
I wonder if that was her shot first. Cause like, they
Nah,
say
she
grabbed the gun, and then it's like
Nah.
1, and then it's like 2 after it. You
We
know
finna see. We finna see.
being
See.
riddled with bullets. This door is brand new now, the glass replaced because it was shattered when bullets came through, but the bullet holes remain elsewhere, including in the closet door, in the bathroom door, on the headboard of the bed, and on the television. Her husband and another rush in after the crooks fired their shots throughout the home, fortunately missing everyone. Those robbers stole watches and jewels from the group, fired, and then ran. But the man of the house, Daniel Pacheco, shot at the invaders as they sped off in a getaway vehicle. Screams and shock fill the house in the aftermath on a night of terror, but one where somehow nobody got hurt.
My worry was my husband and my son. Honestly, I wasn't scared. I wasn't even...
Cheeks out,
just
boy.
my reaction was to get the gun and to defend. They could have killed me. They could have killed my son. They were shooting right over his head. They didn't care.
Yeah. Shout out to that baby. She stood on business.
When it grabbed the blick.
Ran and grabbed the plate
Stop playing.
with the thong
Like
on.
hit the door
You know what
like.
I'm saying? With them cheeks out, like, hey, y'all shoot.
hold on. Look,
Y'all
stop
chill.
playing.
Hey, get off my nigga.
Soldier boy, what he saying?
Like, hey, you fine with it. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna mess up no more. Still.
Oh.
Okay, could we meet maybe? The name is Dawn Lad. Could we meet maybe a little later today then, babe? I work at 10:15. Should be done by 3. I won't be out here. I won't be out here still. Cause when you get here, we'd only have like 30 minutes. Another time then. Could I see you later today? I'm apartment sitting. What city? In Long Beach, babe. Around 7, I have a session with my trainer. I don't know. I promise I'm worth it. I know you are, but I have to be with my trainer. I took a week off. First of all, sneaking in with the pink hair is crazy.
You was better off just having to put on a hoodie and act like a homeboy.
I see he's gonna be like, it's on the door. So when
Right.
the door swings, you don't think
You
the door
missing
looks in
angles.
the house.
Like, it's angles. It's an angles thing, bro.
Even when I'm talking about from when she was outside, leaving, and coming in. Whole time on the couch, you spotted, like, sitting up, everything. Like, I did a good job. Yeah, baby. We're good.
We're safe.
We're good.
Get the fuck out of my house.
Huh?
Hello? Is someone there?
Yes, this is Officer Sellers, Garden Police Department.
Hi. What can I help you with? Yeah, are you there?
Yes, I just chased the subject around your house, and I was making sure he wouldn't have came in here. Do you guys have any kids?
No, we don't have any kids.
And is there any younger adults that stay here?
It's just me and my husband. We both work during the day.
Okay.
Do I need to come
Okay, well,
home?
thank you. I appreciate it. No, you're fine.
All right.
Well, if you could check, see if your camera picked up any motion. We're looking for a subject in a red t-shirt. Okay.
Give me a second. He's in my trash can. He's in my dumpster in my
Where's that at?
backyard. He's in my trash can by my garage.
Oh, mom.
The cops are at my front door. There's a...
Open that lid.
First, I got okay. First, raw spot. Crazy raw spot. Snap in the trash can. Nobody home. Why your motherfucking save the world ass? He's in my trash. Well, then think about it then though. She come home.
He wasn't gonna stay in a trash can.
How you know though?
He getting away. He's running from the police.
But what is he running from?
Hey.
You know what I'm saying? You don't know. He could be a killer. Like, he got a kid.
You gonna take out the trash can?
Alright, got it. Pop, so you take out the trash? Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. She did what she had. I ain't gonna lie. She did what she had.
Watch my bum. A dollar neighbor dragged you.
What are you doing? What are you doing, bitch? What are you? Put my shit back right the fuck now. Put it back.
See, that's how you supposed to snap.
Put it the fuck back.
Put some bass in your voice.
What is wrong with you?
Goofy.
Are you dumb?
Hello. Yeah, I just want to say hi. How are you? I'm Sam Stefan. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm Sam Stefan.
I just wanted to say, how are you?
That was dangerous. God is good. God is good. Cause if it would have been just her, he was gonna make a move. He ain't give a fuck. He was always committed.
He was
committed. He finna walk in that bitch.
You seen that walk, bro?
He walking straight in that bitch with no hesitation in his walking. Nothing. None of that.
Broad daylight. The doorbell camera captures the initial moments. A young man in his 20s goes door to door, selling candy. The homeowner, curious, opens the door to greet him. But to her surprise, 3 more men appear, armed and ready. They take advantage of the open door, invading her home and robbing her. It turns out that the candy salesman was part of a meticulously planned setup. Their scheme involved gaining the homeowner's trust by pretending to sell candy, luring her to open her front door, only to be ambushed and robbed at gunpoint. The thieves quickly seize her belongings and make their escape.
You put your mask on camera. He must have watched our last video and was like, oh shit.
I forgot. I'm trying to think about this though. Why do you think that they wouldn't be able to identify you? Like, just that alone. That alone, why do you think you would get away with that? You're looking at this bitch. This bitch looking at you. Look at it. Look at you. And you still go on with this plan. Like, what in your mind thinks, like, this little piece of blue mask is going to stop me from getting caught?
Just minutes before the doorbell camera captures footage of the same candy salesman attempting to sell his goods at another house nearby. Though suspicious, the homeowner wisely refrains from opening the door. Frustrated, the man moves on to the house across the street, hoping for better luck. However, the vigilant homeowner there also refuses to open her door. Unfortunately, the police never managed to apprehend the men involved in these crimes, leaving the community on edge and the victims shaken.
See, them the neighbors. Them good neighbors right there.
Real good neighbors. These are the neighbors you need in your life.
Right. He always like, oh shit, it came over for real.
Hey.
I thought that was gonna be harder than that.
Hey man, I'm finna rob this thing. Boom! Never mind. And got the fuck out of there.
Apartment complex kids gang tried me part 1.
See? Yeah, I want no smoke.
Yeah, I'm pretty mad about it.
So you know he ready.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
A notification that was someone at my door last night. As I opened the video app, it was just my daughter coming home. I was about to close the video app and then something caught my eye and I'm wondering, what the heck was that? So I zoomed in, I slowed the video right down, and oh my god, what is it? What is that?
Yeah, well, you seen it? I bet it was little. That shit like a little. It was doing it like Tinkerbell or some shit in the background.
Yep.
All I could do was just stare at him. All I could do was just stare at him.
Slow that down.
Hi, Dad.
Shit, that nigga gotta be on it.
Hello? It's 1:15 in the morning.
That's terrifying.
You call the police, man.
Shorty ain't even move. They didn't try to go call the police, nothing. Just let her get like kidnapped, human traffic. And they pull up down the road, like you just like this.
X1.
She ain't right now. She's like, oh my goodness. Who? That's that goddamn Stacy girl. God damn.
Her mom gonna be sad about that.
You know they kidnapped that girl Stacy this morning.
I
Yeah, it's
seen
on the
it.
doorbell
I
camera.
was right there on the floor. You wanna see?
Go on, see.
Girl instantly regrets knocking her neighbor's door.
Trick or treat. Trick or treat, go down in the yard. Before you get COVID, take your ass home.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that? Today. Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
I don't want to know.
You done got in the car and you too mad.
You ain't even watching that bitch back. Oh.
You too mad.
Hi, beautiful.
Well, you shouldn't.
Hello?
Yeah, Jamal Barnes at the front door.
Hello? Hello?
Yeah, front door.
What can I help you with?
He's knocking on doors, speaking with people.
I'm actually not coming to the door. What can I help you with?
So you ain't gonna let me rob you?
Alright.
Alright, man.
What the fuck are you doing in my house, motherfucker? Huh? What the fuck do you think you're gonna do in my goddamn house? Leave my motherfucking alone, Dad.
What the hell you thought this was, boy? See, that's why it's too dangerous, because I'm telling you, running here chasing Lil Nova. Bah, bah, bah! Nobody know what's going on. Ain't nobody finna be chasing my kid in my house.
Especially,
who do you think you is, though?
Especially running. He's running already.
Right. And you're chasing him.
All the way home? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you done lost it, boy. You're gonna learn today. You're gonna learn the goddamn day.
Never chase nobody again.
I have to ask you.
Like that, Nike, can't do it!
Put something out
Oh my Wait, this box, you dumb bitch.
I got bit! Oh! I got bit!
He got bit. I got bit.
I got, darn it, I got dang bit. I ain't even gonna lie, that low-key became one of my big fears too, like snakes and like poisonous things. As you study more and know how much things is out there and how dark places could be so dangerous if you do not know what is there. Like the dark is dangerous, boy. Tell me, I ain't with all the lizards and snakes and shit. That was another video for me and my boy.
Hello, J, man. Jack Queso, Mr. Bust Down, Mr. 448.
Man, you already know the vibes, man. You know what it is, man. Hey, somebody get this money. Get this money. Please get this money. You know what I'm saying? Cause we trying to give it to you. I get money. I get money. We giving money. We giving money. We giving type shit.